In this video, you will learn how to search within specific UNB Libraries collections, use wildcard symbols as search strategies, use the database search history to modify your search, save your searches in UNB WorldCat, and create and share lists in UNB WorldCat. Searching within specific UNB Libraries collections is made easy with the B8: method in UNB WorldCat. This trick allows you to focus your search to a particular location available in the library. Combining your search terms with B8: and the location code will narrow your search to that specific location. For example, if you are interested in finding DVDs in Hill's collection, you can limit your search results to items located in Hill Circ AV. We can search for films by the director Christopher Nolan in our collection. Here is his film Memento. All UNB Libraries location codes are available using the Locations Guide link, located under the Catalog search box on the main library page. Wildcard symbols can broaden your search by allowing you to include spelling variations in words and different word endings. For example, truncation is a technique that broadens your search to include various word endings. Enter the root of a word and put the truncation symbol, often the asterisk, at the end to avoid having to think of and type out all possible variations of a word. A search for teen with an asterisk will find teen, teens, teenage, teenager, and teenagers. For example, here are the search results for teens and phones in UNB WorldCat. And here are the search results for teen with an asterisk and phones. Notice how our results almost doubled when we broadened our search to include the various word endings. Other wildcards, such as the question mark, allow you to search for different spellings of the same word by representing a single character somewhere in the word. A search for women with a question mark before the N will find both women with an E and woman with an A. Since wildcard symbols vary by database, be sure to check the database help link, usually located in the top right corner, to find out which symbols are used. Many databases save each of your submitted searches and let you review, combine, or add new concepts using Boolean operators and or. You can also eliminate unwanted material using the not operator. ProQuest databases refer to previous searches as recent searches. Once you have completed a search, it is noted in your recent searches. In this example, we have two recent searches. They both include wildcards to capture different word endings. Search 1 includes the term mobile device with an asterisk and sleep with an asterisk. Search 2 includes a couple of synonyms that describe our subject group and sleep with an asterisk. We can combine these searches to retrieve results that address all three of our variables: mobile devices, our subject group, and sleep. This dramatically reduces our results. If we want to focus our search on mobile devices other than phones, we can exclude phones from our search materials using the not operator. This has reduced our search results even further. Personal accounts make it easier to save multiple versions of your searches, organize and store your findings, as well as share your search results with others using persistent links. Each database family requires its own account. For example, you need to create an EBSCO account and a ProQuest account. Remember to use your institutional email when setting up such accounts. Let's take a look at account options in UNB WorldCat. If you have a search that you would like to save, click on the Sign In button to access additional catalog features. Once you sign in, you can save your searches by selecting the Save Search option. Access your saved searches via the Saved Searches link. You can also create and share lists of materials. Add items to your list by selecting the Start Save option. Go to Saved Items and click on Create List to name your list. Set your privacy settings and save. To share your list, use the email option within each list. In this video, you have learned how to search within specific UNB Libraries collections, use wildcard symbols as search strategies, use the database search history to modify your search, save your searches in UNB WorldCat, and create and share lists in UNB WorldCat.